How to make things happen? Have you ever asked this question? I used to ask this question all the time, and over the past 10 years, I found some simple and smart strategies that work for me to get back into the right groove and just to get things done. So I decided to share them with you now. And as always, these tips work for your personal or professional life. They will act interchangeably. All right, so please pay attention. Number one, set a goal. To define a goal, you should consider what you want to achieve and then commit to it. Set a smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant goal that motivated you, and write it down to make it feel tangible. All right. Number two, get organized. To get organized, it's not only tidying up your room, your closet. No, it's not only that. Every day before work or doing something special, you should schedule a time or what things must be done this day. All right. So I recommend that you write down a list of the tasks you need to do. Whether it's a big task, you can break it down into smaller pieces, because the better you define the problem, the better the solution. All right. Number three. Do not listen to negative people. I remember when I was a teenager, and I was interested in doing my things and open my companies, and a lot of people said I was doing the wrong thing. It was not cool, I could failure, and I just didn't listen to them. Personally, I used to say, okay, thank you. But inside, however, I'd always say, your fucking negative opinion, don't mind. But look, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not saying you shouldn't listen to feedbacks. The thing is that you only need to see if these feedbacks come from a positive or a negative person. All right. And another advice, very interesting, is think of yourself as a motivated, productive person. Research shows how people feel about themselves has a huge effect on success. All right, so put into practice. Goodbye.